Aries, welcome to my channel, and this is your fourth week reading for the month of August, which is starting from 18th August to the 24th. This is going to be exclusive love plus career reading. So yes, if you have any questions on your mind, do think about them so that you can get an answer in this reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you've got the Five of Spheres and the Nine of Suns. Aries. Now tell me, are you somebody who has lost self-confidence and self-esteem? I do feel that you are feeling like you're good for nothing, like you must have been preparing for some competitive exam and you did not get through, or you applied for a job and you got rejection, or you were not selected for promotion. There is something that has happened which has really lowered your confidence. I also see that there are people around you who are attacking you unnecessarily, like you have done it or it's your fault. It can be your own family also who's blaming you for not clearing the exam or not getting that position, or there are people around you who are trying to snatch your position from you, right, by blaming or by fighting unnecessarily. Now I do see that you are a lion and the people that you're engaging with are mere sheeps, which means they don't stand anywhere when it comes to you in terms of experience, skills, or personality. So, this is a time of not engaging with such people in a fight, of taking a break, going somewhere, and reassessing this whole situation. I do feel that there is something that you need to reassess and think upon again. The decisions that you have made in your life, the people that you have trusted, or as simple as are you on the right path? Because you are engaged in a fight which is not worth fighting. You are taking a decision, or you are on a line or path which is not really worth it, right? So the cards are asking you to take a break and not engage in the fight. Go somewhere to get a fresh perspective. I do feel that you feel stuck in a situation which you're not able to come out of because you're not able to find a solution. The problem is that you have been in that rotten environment for a very long time, because of which you are not able to think clearly. So you need to take a break, okay, whether you take leave or you go somewhere or you sit in the nature. You need a fresh perspective to come up with a fresh solution to your problem and get better clarity. If you do that, you will be able to come up with the right path for you and will be able to see clearly as well. Now let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Master card and the Six of Suns. I'm just checking if the light is still on and the mic is still working. Uh, Very beautiful cards when it comes to your love life, which means that you are in a very giving mood, kind mood. You want to give to your loved ones, you want to care for them. Some of you could also be doing a lot of charity this week, either food or clothes, or simply inviting people over, or paying for the food or the bill or the treats, or just simply being kind towards stray animals, right? I also see that you are going to feel like achieving and going back home. Uh, if you were away from your family for a very long time, this is a time when you will be going back home and spending a lot of time with your spouse and your loved ones. I also see if you were single for a very long time and looking for the right partner, this is a week where you get success and you will be able to find a partner who you can call home. If you were in a relationship already, this is a time where you will hear some good news, or maybe uh, you both will marry each other or probably start the talks of marriage, which maybe you haven't in a very long time. For example, if your families were against it, this is a week where you can hear positive results and positive news from them, like they agreed to you both getting married, especially if it's an intercaste. I also see those who are married can expect pregnancy news also. No matter what your situation, relationship, or marriage is, you are going to get positive news this week. There will be a lot of peace and harmony and love between people. You especially have a very kind and giving energy this week. So I do feel that your family life will be smooth thanks to you. So yes, love life and personal life looks great. Even if you're single and you do not have anyone, you have a peaceful home. You're achieving your goals and maybe taking a break and going back home as advised by me and spending a good time at home, right? The family life looks really good. But yes, in career, you have to do as I say, because this will really help you in making some, challenging decisions which you're not able to think through right now. I hope this reading helped you, give you some clarity. If you guys resonated with it, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Remember, this was a general reading. If you have very specific questions regarding your life, you can book a personal reading with me. I have a host of other services available like exclusive no contact reading, love reading, packages for different people, and spiritual counseling sessions as well. So please check out the description box. Email me if you want to make any booking, or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. And yes, guys, please follow me on Instagram as well. That's a new channel I've opened up where I keep on posting the stories and the prices of different services on a daily basis so that you can get an idea. And yes, apart from that, you will be staying updated on my channel, the developments on my channel, the new services, the right time to do rituals, etc. Right? So yes, check out the description box and make the booking accordingly. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.